The sound that we're going to practice in this video is sound H. Repeat after me. H. H. H in homework. Again, homework. Height. Again, height. Help. Again, help. Hindrance. Again, hindrance. Hostile. Again, hostile. Hotel. Again, hotel. What other words have the initial sound of H? H in reheat. Again, reheat. Pothole. Again, pothole. Lighthouse. Again, lighthouse. Uphill. Again, uphill. Inhale. Again, inhale. Forehead. Again, forehead. Fish hook. Again, fish hook. Downhill. Again, downhill. Behind. Again, behind. What other words have the middle sound of H? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Repeat after me. Standard height. Again, standard height. A helpful comrade. Again, a helpful comrade. Huge forehead. Again, huge forehead. Hostile environment. Again, hostile environment. Fight hindrance. Again, fight hindrance. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Never go on a hostile environment. Again, never go in a hostile environment. You got a pretty huge forehead. Again, you got a pretty huge forehead. Spend night on a hotel. Again, spend night on the hotel. Inhale, then exhale. Again, inhale, then exhale. The sound we just practiced in this video is sound H. Repeat after me. H. 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 I hope you enjoyed the practice. Have a nice day and goodbye.